Welcome to the world of giants, where raw steel meets unstoppable force. Shredders roar, crushers slam, and machines tear through metal like paper. Non-stop power, pure chaos, and the kind of destruction you can't look away from. The CVS scrap shredder unleashes over 150,000 foot-pounds of torque, enough to twist steel like it's paper. Cars drop in whole and come out as shredded chips barely inches wide, ready for recycling. Brutal efficiency meets raw power in this ultimate test of industrial muscle. The M&J 4000M makes entire cars disappear like toys. Its dual-shaft system chews through steel, reversing automatically to prevent jams and keep the destruction seamless. With unstoppable torque and relentless jaws, it turns solid vehicles into recyclable chunks with ruthless efficiency. The Pezzolato Peeth 1200/820 drum chipper, powered by a 540 horsepower Scania engine, is a true workhorse in forestry. Its advanced feeding system runs almost seamlessly, cutting downtime and fuel use. With capacity reaching up to 180 cubic meters per hour, it transforms bulky timber into uniform chips with unmatched efficiency. When a sawmill runs smooth, it's poetry in motion. But when it snaps, sparks fly, steel screams, and chaos unfolds. This beast cuts hard, but breaks harder. The mobile crushing station is pure efficiency on wheels. Massive rocks go in, and layer by layer they're reduced. Primary crushers break them, screens separate fine from coarse, and conveyors keep it flowing. All in one compact setup, it eliminates the need for giant plants, moving where the job is. The Raptor RQ122 with its 200 horsepower engine is a game-changer in tire recycling. Feeding in whole car tires, it shreds and screens in one smooth pass, spitting out 3-inch chips at up to 15 tons per hour. At $227,000, it's a serious investment, but the speed and efficiency make it worth every dollar. The guitars are about to face their final act. The shredder roars, and their last performance is a symphony of destruction. Ever wonder if the music lives on in the crunch? Or is this just the ultimate encore to their once melodic lives? Watching that old bus get torn apart hits differently. It feels like just yesterday it was carrying passengers, bringing them where they needed to go. Now it's in the scrapyard, its life over. Hopefully they can save some parts for future use, giving it a second chance. Time waits for no one. The Rome Mahler Stoma's 3,300 waste reducer is a true powerhouse in heavy-duty shredding. With massive 9-foot shafts delivering up to 60,000 foot-pounds of torque, it chews through tires, railroad ties, and even concrete with ease. While some note it's not ideal for thin sheet metal, its brute force and versatility make it an unmatched beast. The Rayco stump grinder lives up to any stump, any size, any place. Its high-speed cutting wheel shreds even large stumps into mulch within minutes, clean and efficient. For small yards or residential areas, it's the fastest, least disruptive solution. The Petzolato electric wood chipper shows off clean, steady power with zero fumes and low noise. Perfect for urban jobs or sawmills tied to the grid, it turns piles of branches into chips with ease. The Arges shredder makes quick work of aluminum engines, tearing them down with raw torque and steady feed. Compact yet mobile, it delivers non-stop output, turning blocks into clean fragments ready for recycling yards. Efficiency and power built into one rugged machine. In just 60 seconds, the Zato Blue Devil twin-shaft shredder rips through a whole car, spitting out dense, recyclable fragments. It's raw, fast, and efficient, showing exactly how modern recycling turns bulk metal into value at lightning speed. The Francois TRF 2115 is built to dominate tough materials with its 500 horsepower motor. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability and smooth performance. Featuring a 9.2 cubic yard hopper for efficiency, dual cutting speeds, 3.5/7.0 RPM, and automatic overload protection, this shredder is a solid choice for any operation. The Rotar RDP-42S is a beast, no doubt about it. Watching it tear through massive chunks of concrete like they were paper is impressive beyond words. The raw hydraulic power it packs can turn anything in its path into rubble. Can it crush a car? Let us know in the comments below. Cedar trees usually put up a fight, but the Cat 299D paired with this ranchland attachment makes it look effortless. In seconds, it grips, rips, and clears what would take hours by hand. For landowners tackling stubborn brush, it's a game-changing mix of raw power and smart engineering. Three-meter hardwood bundles, baled roadside with the FiberPack 370B, dry for weeks before meeting the Brooks 1004 CT. In just 11 minutes, it chips 35 cubic meters into uniform biomass fuel, thorn, oak, or mixed hardwoods. This chipper eats them all, turning stored energy into power station-ready fuel. the end of the line for these diesel train cars. Hauled into the yard, massive steel bodies meet the jaws of heavy excavators. What once carried passengers is now torn apart into scrap, piece by piece. It's raw, loud, and pure industry, turning giants of the rails into piles ready for recycling. Check out the Hamel VB750 in action, turning tough materials into manageable chunks. This is the powerhouse of the recycling world, transforming bulky waste into valuable resources with precision and speed. Less scrap, more reuse, making recycling efficient and sustainable. This claw makes quick work of crushed cars and scrap piles. Imagine how many tons it can tear through in just a single day. I love the sound of the metal crunching and snapping coming out of the baler. The Wema WL4 crushes wood effortlessly, shredding it into chips with sheer power. This beast is unstoppable, engineered to handle the toughest tasks with precision and force in every cut. Watch as the UH4800 crushes trees effortlessly with its multi-cut system. Fast, efficient, and powerful. It's built for serious work.